Alright, hey everybody. So I thought I'd make this video because I'm pretty sure it has happened to somebody out there before. So right here I'm replacing this alternator, and you can see everything's all dry and clean. The old alternator's right there, but the one they sent me is all covered in oil and dirt. So I think they sent me somebody else's core, or you know, their reman department is getting kind of lazy and not cleaning them and then sending it to us. So, but anyways, I hope somebody get a good laugh out of this. Alright, so the new reman alternator is in, it's running. I checked the charging system and it's charging. And the place that we got it from doesn't have any more reman alternators, so we had to try a different source. And guess where we got it from? Napa Auto Parts. Saved by Napa. But for how long?